there, but chicken and waffles. Yeah. Uh, any of you guys near Canes? Chicken? What's it? Canes? The Crazy Canes or something like that? Anybody near there? Where they say the chicken is so good, so good. Raising Canes. Yeah. Are you near there? Are you near there? Because there's not enough places around. How is it? Did you really like it? The Raising Canes? Hey, Sabrina. Anybody like Raising Canes? Okay. Hey, Sabrina. So, is it better than Chick-fil-A? Chick-fil-A. Which, if you did Chick-fil-A and Raising Canes, is that which would you say? It's good, but I wouldn't get it every day. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. But which is better, Chick-fil-A or Raising Canes? That's what I want to know. It's because I got Chick-fil-A by me, but I don't have Raising Canes. I figure if I had some money, I'd open up a franchise here. I'd be the first. Need another fast food place, right? Oh, you are? Oh, okay. Hey, Chick-fil-A. Oh, okay. So I'm not missing much. Okay. Gotta try it. Gotta try it. Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I got a bug in front of me here. How are you, Andrew and Justin and Cadence and Leiden and Madison? Both Madisons. No. I only have one Madison. Amali, Natalia, Raven. Did I see you yesterday, Raven? Rosa and Zakiah. I said hello to everybody. Hello. 16 of you. Whoa. Out of 60? Whoa. Yes. Are you tired, Madison? You tired of being the only Madison in class? That's what I want to know. You being you are the side tired of being the only Hayden in this class. Yeah. But you guys are original. You're one of a kind. You guys are really good workers. You guys are it's already week 7. We're almost at a halfway point in 2 weeks. I'm so tired of everything. Oh gosh, that makes so much sense. I'm so tired of just trying to do everything that we try to do. Oh my gosh. How can we stand ourselves? That's for sure. I know. You guys are just humoring me. You say that I'm a good teacher, but I keep thinking, oh, I'm failing, I'm falling behind because when I did, oh, I tell you, I was doing something. I kept score on a poll yesterday. How many people knew that protons and neutrons were in where was the atomic mass number? And out of 12 people, 4 people knew it was right. Some people still thought that electrons are in the nucleus. I'm going, oh my gosh. I'm a bad teacher. I'm so bad. Oh, okay. Terrible. Terrible. So let's start this live presentation here. All right. And I'll give you the link. So try to get in there. All right, Akila. What grade are we in? We are in 9th grade, right? Aren't we in 9th grade? I have not graduated yet. I moved up to 12th grade 1 year and then no longer. If you guys will put your first name and last initial, I appreciate it. Yep. Initial, first name, last initial. All right. Thanks so much. Hey, Steven. I didn't see you mosey in here. How you doing? How's it going? Good to see you. Man. Rosa, thank you. Getting in there. I got 7 out of 24. So we wanted to get at least 12, so we got half of the class that comes. All right. I appreciate it. Very much so. We can get 12 out of 24. We got 50%. I know Alexis will get in there, and Adriana will get in there, and Aiden will get in there. I haven't seen Aiden get in there in a long time. Where's AJ? Is AJ here today? No, AJ. Sakai will get in there. I know Sakai will get in there. And where is Samayo? Samayo, Molly, Levi, Kimsey, Kendall. Kendall, get in there. Kendall, get in there. Oh, nope. I thought she did. Kendall, come on, Kendall. Leading. All right, my man. Leading. All right. But we're going to get started without people here. Well, wait a minute. I'll wait. I'm going to put some uh, participation points in this person's. All right, that's week 1 and 2. This is 5. Okay, Tuesday the 3rd. I got Madison the Tire Jones. Madison the Tire Jones. So, and she's working. It's just never not working. That's what she says. Never not working. And we got Kendall. Thanks, Kendall. You are awesome. And Ryder. Okay. All right. All right. Ryder, where are you? Ryder. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. And Leiden Jones, right? Jones. Johnson. That's it. Johnson. Got to get me that last name there. I appreciate it because I kind of guessed. Natalia Kastner. Where are you? Yes, Natalia's here. And Kimmy with a J. Is it right? Kimmy. Jackson. And Rosa. Rosa. Oh, there you are, Rosa. Thanks, Rosa. You've been working 2 days in a row. Raven. Where were you yesterday, Raven? Were you here yesterday? Nope, Raven wasn't here yesterday. Do you have a doctor's appointment or something? Thanks, Hayden. All righty, where are you, Hayden? I know you're in here somewhere. SHU. Oh, that's right. Gotta go. Yep, Hayden's in there. And Steven's in there. All right, Kohler. And Aquila. G. And Sabrina. We're still waiting for Samayo. And for Adriana. Thank you, Adriana. Where are you, Adriana? There you are. Okay, no Samayo. No Samayo. Oh no, we got 50. Oh, half the class. Hey, Madison, you did. Oh my gosh. So you didn't take physical science in ninth grade, huh? Okay, that's so cool. So you get to take the bio test here this maybe this year. That'd be kind of cool. State test for that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to talk about ions for a minute. This is in the quizzes. Thanks for showing up. Atoms. Remember those 3 parts? What are the 3 parts? Please put them down. Remember pens. P-E-N. Pens. Uh-oh, my mom is coming home early. Okay. All right. It sounds like you were talking to somebody else, not me. Sorry. All right, Sabrina. Protons, electrons, neutrons. Exactly. P-E-N. Pens. Yep. Thanks, Kendall. Thanks, Natalia. Thanks, Aiden. You guys know that. You guys been taught that since 3rd grade, maybe 4th grade. My grandson is in 3rd grade, and they're talking about energy, matter, and all that kind of stuff. So they're kind of cool. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 9 out of 13. Come on, protons, neutrons, electrons. Get them in there. Thanks, Kimmy. 10 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Done. Good job. All right, so what's the charge on those particles, undarn particles? Again, right, like I said, yeah, I'm bad at spelling, so yeah, when you have to do that. So what's the charge? Positive, negative, neutral? What charge is on this problem here? What's the charge on a positive charge? What particle? I almost said it. What particle is a positive charge? Positive charge. Positive charge. Kimmy, come on, come on. Uh-oh, somebody put electron. Somebody put electron. Uh-oh. All right, it's not electron. Proton. Got to commit that to memory. So we already talked about proton. What's the negative charge one? What's the negative charge? This one is flying around in orbit. Flying around in orbit. All right, flying around in orbit. Come on, Aquila. Come on, lead in. All right. Oh, got it. One more. Aquila. Don't look it up. Got to do it from memory. Did you do it from memory? Chart view. Can't do it. Chart view. Oh, somebody put a neutron. Oh, see, I told you. I told you. So what happens? What happens? People think that neutrons are charged and they're neutral. Neutrons, electrons are. And then again, I still have people thinking that the electrons are in the nucleus. And I've been saying it for weeks. That means not everybody's listening to me. Makes me feel bad. Makes me feel bad that neutral charge. You guys should get this one right away. Okay, you got to use your brain power. Oh, isn't great? Okay. Well, you know what? None of ours are. We use Google. I use Google all the time to find out what I forgot, right? Except for what I should take a picture of what I ate this morning so that I can know that, right? Yeah. It's okay. So each part of the particle, protons are positive, electrons are negative, neutrons are. So let me just review with you guys because this is really important. This is one of those science test question things, right? So in the nucleus, right in here are the plus charges, which are the protons, and we call those the DNA because it tells us what the element is. So if it's Li, has three protons, and that's the lithium that goes in your battery. If you take one less away, it's helium, two protons. So you can't use that to run your batteries. The electrons are in these orbits, right? Electrons, these shows two orbits, 1 and 2. This one holds 2, and this one holds up to 8. Right? So there's a lot of information, and the basic information, you really need to know that in order for it to help you there. So, and then the neutrons are in here in the nucleus, neutrons, neutrons. Okay, give it stability. They have no charge, but they give it stability. Can't spell today. I never can spell. Zero charge, neutral charge. They hold the protons in. Okay, they give it stability or instability. You put too many of them and then they go in there. So, and then electrons are the negative charge, and those are the bonding things. So, lots of information here for sure. All right, neutral atom, charge of 0. Okay, so remember this. Remember this. If you can, if you not, take some notes, right? So, if you have an atom in the periodic table, so let's say carbon, right? It gives you this number. It tells you 6 and 12. All right, so 6 is the protons, right? 12 is the protons, not protons, and neutrons. Okay, so I'm clicking here. So if it has 6 protons, it's going to have 6 electrons to make it no charge. No charge. Now, we're not talking about the no charge of the neutron. We're talking about it doesn't have a static electricity, right? Right? Carbon, you got it. All right, so carbon, think about it this. If you take a balloon and rub it in your hair gets all staticky. You put fabric softener in your dryer so that your socks don't stick to your sweater. So an atom naturally comes with no charge except for when it reacts with another atom. Okay? Comes with no charge unless it reacts with another atom, then things happen. So that's when ions happen. Now, ions, we need ions in order to make the connections between our muscles and our heart and all the electrical connections. We need ions. So we're going to be talking about something. So 6 protons is equal to 6 electrons. 7 protons, 7 electrons will give you a neutral atom because 6 pluses and 6 negatives cancel each other out. All right, I'm shouting at you guys, but you guys could turn me down, I'm sure, or not listen at all. Okay, so it's going to ask you a question here. All right, neutral atoms have no charge. True or false? True or false? What did I just say? I said what? True or false? Neutral atoms have no charge, no static electricity. Thanks, Adriana. Helping those people out. Like they're looking. Akila, and she walked away. Kimmy, there's Akila came back. That's right. She said she came back. And then Kimmy's having trouble with her computer. All right, let's go on here. Neutral atoms are charged neutral. If an atom has same number of protons as electrons, it has a neutral charge. If an atom has 8 protons, so let's take a look at 8 protons here. 8 protons. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm all over the place. And I have, so how many do I need to make neutral? So I got to cancel those all out. 1, this will cancel that out. 2, cancel that out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need 8. 8 and 8. 8 equals 8. 8 protons, 8 electrons. They cancel each other out. So they're going to ask you another question just to let you know how many electrons you need for 5 protons. How many protons and electrons? If you have 5, how many electrons you need for 5 protons? How many? How many? How many? If you can't get into the quizzes, all right, you can always do it on the private chat to get your points. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Everybody's going 5. Anybody else doing 5? Yep. Rosa, Adriana, 5, 5, 5. Kimmy, thanks, Kimmy. 5 more, 5. Okay. And again, it's okay if you make a mistake, ladies and gentlemen. Don't feel dumb. It just means that we got to go over it more, right? Got to just go over it more, right? Ions, they have a charge, not zero. They're either positive or negative. Protons don't move, so how can an atom become an ion? Okay, so think about that. Here is your proton. Protons don't move because if it moves, it changes into something else. So lithium has 3 plus charges, 3 protons in the nucleus. All right. It also has 4 zero charges in there, but the neutrons don't count because they just hold the protons together. This has 2 rings. It has 2 electrons in the first shell, 1 electron in the second shell, and it's neutral. So let's take a look at this. If for some reason the 3 protons, if I only have 2 electrons, then it's positive, right? Because it's positives left over. There goes Millie. If I have, there goes the mailman. Mail carrier. If I have 4 electrons, see the protons don't move. If I have 4 electrons, it's negative, right? Because those cancel each other out. This becomes negative. So if I lose one, it's a positive charge. If I gain one, it's a negative charge. Okay, so that's how you get positive or negative depending. It's only the electrons. The electrons are bonding, but they can move around. They can make things happen. Okay, so let's look at this next question. All right, ions have a charge of 0. Is that true or false? True or false? Ions have a charge of 0. So put the wrong answer in there. That way I either know that I need to go over this again, or you didn't listen to me, or you didn't hear me, or I didn't make any sense. Could be both. Could be all of it. So ions have a charge of 0. We call it a charge. Hey, Adriana. Oh, that's okay. It happens. It happens. Okay, Kimmy's not doing it. Keela's not doing it. All right, 20 seconds. I got to get going, guys. 2 people, laggy computers. Okay. Guys, it's C. Okay. It's A or B, though. All righty. Oh, you were talking to someone in your house. Don't they know? You're talking to me. All right. Yeah, I'm all about myself. Okay. It's false. Okay. Remember what I said. Ions either positive or negative. Positive or negative. It's a neutral atom that has a charge of 0. So, neutral atom. Let me write this down here. Neutral atom, right? The one that doesn't have static clinging has a charge of equals 0 because it's the proton's positive charge is equal to the electron's negative charge and cancel each other out. If I have more electrons, it's negative. That's an ion. If I have less electrons, it's positive. Okay, that's a ion as well. There's a specific kind of ion. We'll be talking about that in a second. All right, cations are atoms that have positive charge. So again, like there's my lithium. Take a look at that. My lithium has 3 positive charges. If I give it only 2 negatives, 2 electrons, it becomes positive. Get it? Pause. P-A-W-S. Okay, positive. There's my pause. There's my pause. All right, so positive has less electrons. It's positive. 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 Okay. True or false? Is this a true or false question? An ion with a positive charge is called a what? A positive. No, they don't have it on there. They don't have it a positive in there. Uh-oh. Ryder, come on. Akila, come on. Madison. Akila's got it. Oh, good. Kimmy got it. Ryder and Ryder. Okay. All right. Ryder. Oh, everybody got it. All right. An anion is an atom that has a negative charge. Okay, so look at this picture here. So again, I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to show you a negative charged ion. So here we got lithium, 3 protons, 4 electrons, 3 plus charges plus 4 negative charges. You owe them $1. So you had something that you wanted $3 and they asked for $4. You go, wait, can I owe you that? So we have that has an extra ion. I think of anion as adding a negative. Okay, adding an electron, adding a negative. Anion, adding a negative. Okay, so let's see if they ask the same kind of question here. Anion or cation. Okay, an ion with a negative charge is called a. Let's see how many people get this one right. Steven, Kimmy, come on. All right, let's see how we're doing so far in the chart. Oh, somebody put cation. Oh, no. It is. Oh, man. See, but that's my dilemma as a teacher. I can't get 100%. I can't get 100% of my test. Dang. Somebody misclicked. I know. Somebody misclicked. If an atom loses electrons, the charge is what? Will it be positive? If an atom loses an electron, will it be positive? Okay, so let's take a look at this. All right, so remember, atoms come neutral. So lithium has 3, comes neutral. But if we take it away, okay, this is what we get. If we take it away, it's what we get. They come neutral, but then to become an ion, they either have to add or lose an electron. So atom that loses electron is positive is a true statement. True statement. All right. What happened? Oh, we want to see Sabrina is in first place and slow right behind her is Hayden. Okay, let's look at the full question. A bromine gains electrons. So let's pretend bromine had 5 protons. Okay. Let's pretend bromine had 5 protons. Five, five, five. Does not have 5. And then it gains an electron. So it had already had 5 to make it neutral, and then it gained an electron. How many negative? You count this as a how many, and then put it as a negative. So it's either a -1 or -7. Which do you think it is? -1 or -7? Okay, -1 or -7. How many people do I got here? Where are they? I want to do full question view. Member view. Just need Kimmy. All right, Kimmy, holding us up. Okay, an atom with 2 protons, 3 neutrons, and 4. I can't even talk today. Oh my gosh. All right, so if we look at this, let's draw it out because it makes more sense if you draw it out. Okay, 2 protons, right? Neutrons are 0, so we don't have to worry about those. And now we have 4 electrons. 1, 2, there's 0. It has 4 electrons. The charge of what? All right. So we're still people looking. Hey, Jay, I was wondering where you were, man. Good to see you. Man, I was trying to get the other Aiden to show up and do this assignment. He wouldn't do it, but you came in and saved us all. Fantastic. Let's look at the chart view. Uh-oh, some people put +2. There are more electrons than positives, so it's -2. +3 is not positive. That's the hard part here. We're going to have to go over this a lot. Last slide. All right. Thank you, guys. Sabrina, first place. Hayden, second place. And you guys had this. Oh, you weren't that close. You were that close. Okay. Thank you much. All right. Okay. So I'm going to give you guys some minutes here but first I wanted to try this. I'm going to show you something here. So let me do this for you. Um, let's go here. I'm going to stop this for a second. Okay. So here is a way to get some bonus points in class. Okay. So I'm going to upload this assignment. Okay. Load. Okay. Yeah, you got to get your brother, the other Aiden, to come and work. Okay, so here's what we're doing. Okay, we're going to do a breakout room, and we're going to fill this chart in. Okay, to do that, we're going to use. All right, let me show you here. I don't know if I can do both on this. Maybe I can do it on this screen too. All right, so we're going to use PhET, PhET, PhET. All right. And we're going to use the PhET. All right, got to do it right here, PhET. P-H-E-T, P-H-E-T. And it's going to be the isotope. Isotope. Okay, fat isotope, atomic mass. Okay, let me see if I can um, show two screens here. Okay, so, all right, let's go here. And this is that. All right. Okay. Okay. So let me just show you this screen here. I'll do this. I'll just share my screen with you. So what I'm going to need you guys to do is to help each other out in your breakout rooms. Okay. So you're going to make isotopes and then fill these the mass numbers out. Okay. So you're going to do you're going to click on this and see where it says 1 1 on here. It should be bigger. I wish I had it bigger. Right? Maybe I can get it bigger. Okay, so it says 1 1, and we have this 1 1. So notice that it has 1 proton, 0 neutrons, 1 electron, and a mass number of 1. So what I want you guys to do is fill these out in a group. Somebody show these, but in order to get credit for this, you got to put your initial in the chart that you filled out. Okay, so somebody's gonna be the presenter, and then they're going to give you the opportunity to write the information in the chart. Okay, or the person that is sharing and also writing will put your initials in there. How's that? That's okay. That seems better. You got to have your initials in there. So let's say, how'd that happen? All right. Let's go back to where I was here. Let's go close this one out. So if somebody goes and puts the initial for that first one, they'll put, oh, I can't write on this one. How about this one? Can I write on this one? Oh, man. Okay, I can't write on this one. So you can put the initials in there. All right. So you guys are going to work together in breakout rooms. But first, I want you guys to use 10 minutes to do this. All right. So 10 minutes to do this. And I will get you the breakout room going in about 10 minutes. So at 1:30, we'll do it. So you're going to go to your modules. And if you haven't done this already, I want you to go to and do W7 assignment 1. Here's W7 assignment 1, right? Control copy. So here's W7 assignment 1. W7 ASGMT 1. I put that in the link here. So if you haven't done this, I want you to do it. But I want you to try out this. And this is in the modules. You look in the notes. I made a graphic organizer to go over this assignment. So graphic organizer here. So click on W7 assignment 1 graphic organizer. Here is the notes. So click on that. Put it in the private you were doing. Okay, Control V. WBA. Okay. Yeah, I did it. I did it already. Okay. Lag. Okay. Laggy. Yeah. It takes a while for that to come up for sure. Yep. You might want to download it rather than to just display it. So you should have this assignment right there. I'm going to make this small. Okay. And I've got my Okay, not that one. Dashboard. Nope. Where'd it go? Okay, so I did week 5, not week 5, power physical science 5, and I've got the assignment here. So I've got both of these together. All right, so I've got it using side by side. Week 1, there we go. This one here. Okay, so I've got this one. I'll pull this out. And then this one I will do. There we go. So I got both of these together. Okay. So you got 2 slides. That's all you have on this to help you with those 15 slides. So at 1:35, let's say 1:35, we're going to practice using breakout rooms. Okay. All right. Your voice is lagging. Oh, no. That's terrible. Means I need more power. All right. It doesn't show me as losing any voice recognition. Okay, so there you go, guys. Try those. And I'm going to do breakout rooms in 10 minutes. Okay, so you got 7 questions. Try to get 100% on those. Use the notes. Tell me what you got. Right? I'm going to put this on pause. Okay, guys, why don't you try and this is group 2, and we got Raven and Adriana, Hayden and Naomi. This is group this is group 3. I've got Natalia and Sabrina. And this is group 1. And I've got Akila, Elroy, Justin, and Rosa. Okay, guys, put your name at the bottom there, and the meeting's going to come to end in about 1 minute. Okay, put all the names down there. I appreciate it. All right, ladies and gentlemen. You didn't work in the breakout room. I appreciate you being patient and doing your work on the side. Right. So I will see you guys tomorrow. So have a good day, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good day. Thanks, Hayden. Appreciate it. You guys did a lot of work. Thanks. You too. Have a good day for sure. Almost the end of the day. Now remember, don't take a nap. You did good, Elroy. You did good. You did real good. All right, guys. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye, Elroy.